On the hot seat today, customer engagement platform MoEngage has raised $100 million in fresh funding led by Goldman Sachs Alternatives and A91 partners. The Bengaluru and San Francisco-based SaaS firm plans to use the capital to scale its AI-powered marketing agents and accelerate growth across North America, which now contributes the largest share of its revenue. With this round, MoEngage's total funding crosses $250 million. And to discuss how AI is reshaping marketing automation and what's next for the company's global playbook, joining me now is Raviteja Dodda, co-founder and CEO of MoEngage. Ravi, welcome to Startup Street. You've often said brands are moving beyond legacy marketing clouds. So what's driving enterprises to switch to MoEngage, and how are you positioning the platform against incumbents like Salesforce or Adobe?
Yeah, thank you, Shruti, for having us on the show. For the viewers, we are an enterprise AI company in the customer data and engagement space. And as you rightly mentioned, a lot of our growth in the last few years have been driven by migrations of enterprise B2C brands from legacy marketing cloud platforms like that of Adobe and Salesforce. And since these legacy marketing cloud platforms have been built in the early 2000s, built on legacy technology stack, not easy to use for consumer brands and the marketing teams within those consumer brands. And it also takes so long to kind of take the campaign ideas to life on these platforms. And MoEngage being an AI-powered platform built for the enterprise with our Merlin AI engine at the center of everything that we do. And it's also a very easy to use platform for marketing teams. And with AI decisioning, also we are seeing that rapid adoption and migration from legacy platforms.
We'll delve deeper into what you just said, but first let's talk about the fundraise. What's the key focus area for this capital? Deeper AI innovation or market expansion? And what kind of growth targets have you set for the next phase?
Sure, Shruti. So I think it's a combination of both. I would say a big part of our growth in the last 3 to 4 years has been driven by our growth in North America, Europe, and Middle East regions, and we want to continue to accelerate that. So we'll be expanding our sales and marketing and customer success teams in those regions to continue to kind of accelerate and grow at a 35% over 35% CAGR growth rate over the next 3 to 4 years. That's the growth rate that we are working towards. And the second part of this growth will also be driven by investments in terms of AI, basically accelerating innovation in our AI capabilities, especially around the Merlin AI sort of agents, which are purpose-built for marketing teams and product teams within B2C organizations.
Okay. Ravi, with everyone adding an AI layer today, how do you ensure your Merlin AI suite stands out? What's the moat, if you could break down how these AI agents are transforming a marketer's workflow?
Yeah, I think that's a great question, Shruti. And today, there are AI platforms available today, but many of these are horizontal platforms for enterprise companies. And I think the way we look at Merlin AI is basically a functional AI platform, purpose-built for marketing teams within B2C organizations. And basically, we're focusing only on the marketing teams and helping these teams grow revenue and customer lifetime value metrics. And for example, like we have AI decisioning capabilities, whether it regards to for example, like if you take a quick commerce company like a Swiggy, Instamart, we help them kind of identify which customer should receive the best offers or the most relevant offers, and also on the right channel and also on the right time, right? And that's only possible at the scale of when you look at a scale of tens of millions of customers, like some of these brands have. It's only possible leveraging all the AI decisioning capabilities, and for us, it's just not. And we are delivering real results, and we are also seeing strong adoption of our AI products from our existing customers.
Sure. Like I mentioned earlier, Ravi, North America is now your largest revenue contributor, and business there has doubled over the past year. What's driving that growth? And give us a sense of where the business stands today in terms of revenue and scale.
Yeah. So I think in terms of our growth in North America, it is being driven quite a bit with regards to enterprises across retail, financial services, travel and hospitality verticals, migrating from legacy marketing cloud platforms as well as multiple point solutions that are out there to a unified, organically built platform like MoEngage. And we are seeing quite a bit of that migration.
Okay.
And in terms of the scale of the business and today, like as a North America contributes to over 30% of our business, and the overall company is at about $100 million in terms of annualized recurring revenue. So that's the kind of scale at which we are operating at.
All right. We've completely run out of time. Ravi, many thanks for joining us on Startup Street and wish you the very best for all your aggressive growth plans.
Thank you, Shruti.
On that note, it is time for us to head into a